I'm Jennifer Daly, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble some basic collections documents, namely a letter of demand and a summons. Over here I've got my collections matter that's already been created, and if I have a look at the parties for the matter, I've got a client, a defendant, and a plaintiff. So to do a letter of demand, first of all we click on our document generator database, and we click on the LOD icon. You can see it's got today's date filled in and my claim amount. My cause of action, I can use my lookup arrow and select, or I can type it in. And if I click on my cost tab, it's automatically got the costs associated with the letter of demand listed there. I click on close, save and exit. I go to my assemble documents screen. It's busy creating the document list based on my document set, which is Magistrates Court. I can use my show documents containing filter over here, and I type in letter. There's my letter of demand. I highlight it and I click on the assemble documents icon. The document's now being created in Word. It's replacing all the fields. It asks me how many minutes spent because I've got time recording on my user. The document's now being created. There's my letter of demand addressed to my defendant. And it contains my cost table and all the relevant details for a letter of demand. If I close that, if I go to my fee notes, the fees for the letter of demand have automatically been allocated to fee notes and inserted. If I go to my debtors account, my letter of demand and my registered post fee are already there. And if I go to my document log, there's my letter of demand there that I can go and edit at any stage if I need to. If I close this screen here and I go to my reminders, my matter has been diarized automatically. This is just a test one, so we can delete this. That's the reminder that gets created for so many days' time to check if a payment's been received from the debtor. And also my file notes, I've also created an automatic file note with a stage code for letter of demand. Stages will be covered at a later stage in a video called Managing Your Matters Using Stages, so please be sure to watch that. Okay. We'll now assemble a summons. Let's say we've sent out the letter of demand, it's 14 days later, we've had no response, so now we're going to do a summons. Again, any basic collections procedures, if you go into your document generator database, you can see they're all listed across the top of your screen here. For any of these processes, you must come into the document generator database, also called the litigation database, because this is where the document gets information from. You'll see if I click on the MagCourt tab, I've got my district and my held at filled in, and those are all done under my defaults button over here. If I look at my defaults, here they are here, and for summons, my number of days to respond, as well as for my letter of demand, my magistrates court settings, and my High Court settings. And this setting is per employee, but you can copy the setting to all employees if you need to. So going back to my summons, if I click on my summons icon, you fill in the relevant information. You can see a lot of it is retrieved from the matter when I created the matter. If you are including a particulars of claim, your wording on the face of the summons, you can go Control up arrow to access your lookup library. I'll just choose see particulars of claim for now. You click on, go to the cost tab. There's my costs based on scale A, B, and C and regional court of the Magistrates Court tariff. So depending on how my matter has been opened, that's the cost that's displayed there. Click on close, save and exit. Assemble documents. Again, it loads the same list of documents that I had previously. In my show documents containing window, I'm going to type in summons and press tab. These are all the available summonses listed. I'm going to choose a summons combined. Click on the assemble documents icon. How many minutes spent? Opens my documents into Word, and there it is. Obviously I don't have a case number yet because the summons hasn't been issued, but all the information is completed in the summons as it should be. See if we scroll down. There's the cost table together with my judgment costs. If I close that and I close my assemble document screen, if I go to fee notes, I now have a fee for a summons. If I go to file notes, I now have a file note for a summons combined, reminders, I have a diary date, time records because my employees set up to create time records, or any time that I spend is being created there, and my document has been saved in the document log so that I can access it at any time. Thank you for watching.